Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, November 29th. We have lots of low impacting news, and from 7 p.m. we have high impacting news on Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and at 8:30 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for British pound related currency pairs and US dollar related currency pairs. Let us look at the price action in dollar index before proceeding with gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame of dollar index. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, it was previously in a bearish trend, and we have noticed it to take support around the support level of 105 and then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, breaking this trend line or the resistance line. But when we look at the overall trend of the price action, this level of 107 is acting as a very strong resistance, and this level of 105 is acting as a very strong support, and the current price action is trading within this resistance and support levels on a sideways momentum. So the current trend has lost its bearish trend and it is in a sideways momentum for now. So only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 107 we can expect a bullish side retracement, or only when the price action breaks this support zone between 105 to 104 we can expect a bearish side trend to start in dollar index in 4 hours time frame. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame now. So when we look at the current support of the price action, it is around the level of 1616, and current level of 1800 is acting as a resistance level for the current price action. We have noticed the price action to trend on a bearish side retracement after testing the resistance level of 1800, and after testing the support level of 1616 we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, but still you can notice that it didn't have enough bullishness to retest on the resistance level of 1800. So for now this level of 1800 is a very strong resistance, and this level of 1616 is a very strong support, and within this we are noticing the price action to trend on a sideways momentum. And now I am drawing a resistance line connecting the highs of the previous price action, and we are noticing the price action to respect this previous resistance line, and the price action has trended on the bearish side retracement after testing this resistance line. And on the bearish side also I have drawn a support line or a trend line where we have noticed the price action to take support in the past. And based on this resistance line and the support line, we can clearly notice that the current price action is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern. Soon we can expect a directional breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side in 4 hours time frame. So based on the current price action, I have marked the resistance and support levels for 4 hours time frame, and currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1743, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1743 and the trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect it to take support around the support level of 1730, 1711, 1686, 1656 and 1616. 1616 will be acting as a very strong support level for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1757, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1774, and the zone between 1800 to 1786 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. And currently we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within a symmetric triangle, and wait for the price action to give a directional breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side to take a directional trade in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I'm drawing a resistance line. So from this resistance line, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and in the past also we have noticed a price action to respect this trend line or the support line. After giving a breakout from this support line, we have noticed a price action to start its bearish side retracement. Again on the bottom side we have the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, which the price action has to break in order to continue its bearish side retracement. And if the price action bounces back from this support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect it to take resistance on the hourly time frame resistance line, and it has to break this resistance line in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. So for the hourly time frame, currently we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the support line from the 4 hours time frame. Again, this is also a symmetric triangle pattern, and wait for the price action to give a breakout from this symmetric triangle pattern, based on which you can take a direction trade on the bullish side or a direction trade on the bearish side. So based on the current price action, I have marked the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1743 to support level of 1737, and if the price action breaks this support level of 1737, next level of support is going to be around 1730, 1721 and 1711, which means that it will be breaking the trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame, and the bearish trend will start. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1743, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1751, 1757, 1764 and 1773. And currently the price action is consolidating within this symmetric triangle pattern in hourly time frame, and also in 4 hours time frame we are noticing the price action consolidating within this bigger symmetric triangle pattern. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this 4 hours time frame support line and the hourly time frame resistance line. So for the 30 minutes time frame, you can be scalping within this resistance line and the support line as long as it is trading within this symmetric triangle pattern. And if the price action breaks this support line of the symmetric triangle pattern, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend. And if the price action breaks this resistance line of the hourly time frame resistance line, it will be the retracement on the bullish side, and we have a one more resistance line from the 4 hours time frame which it has to break in order to continue its bullish side retracement. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1743. Once the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1747, 1751, 1756 and 1765. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1737, next level of support is going to be around 1730, and please refer the higher time frame support levels for the remaining supports. So for now I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this for 30 minutes time frame also, to understand the current trend of the price action for 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks this support line and the 4 hours time frame support line, we can expect a direction momentum to start in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action bounces back from this support line, we can expect a retracement on the bullish side to start. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.